Hi, I'm Kim from Today's Creative Life, and today I'm going to show you how I make a classic Spanish sangria. After spending a week in Spain this last summer, I consider myself an expert now in sangria. My husband and I had sangria every day in Spain. We loved it. We took salsa classes, had sangria. We went on tours, had sangria. Everywhere we went, we were drinking sangria. I came home and developed my own recipe with all my favorite ingredients that made me remember and reminisce about our vacation. So today I'm going to show you everything that I do to make the perfect glass of sangria. First, some citrus, oranges, lemons, and limes. We're going to squeeze an orange right into the pitcher. And one lime. I'm going to go ahead and use my squeezer for this. The rest of the fruit, you're just going to slice up. So make sure you wash your fruit because the rind, everything is going inside. I like to just slice it in regular slices. So you're just going to take your fruit and drop it in. All right, so now that my fruit's in there, I'm ready to add my liquids. So I use whatever red wine. That's the beauty of sangria, is that you don't have to use an expensive wine. Pour in the whole bottle. And then 1 cup of rum. I use ginger ale because I like it a little sweeter. You can use sparkling water or a flavored sparkling water, 7-Up. I like ginger ale. So 4 cups. Give it a good stir, pour it in your glasses, and there you go. Now you're ready for some salsa lessons. For full details and a printable recipe, head to todayscreativelife.com.